What's up guys, my name is Ricardo Ruiz and this is my channel Green Thumb Engines, and in this video I'm going to be listing a few reasons as to why your lawnmower won't start. Lawnmowers need maintenance, just like the body. We have to wash ourselves to clean ourselves so we can function well around others. This same principle applies to lawnmowers. They need quarterly maintenance and cleanings so mowers can run smoothly without any problems. So now I'm going to share with you a few reasons as to why your lawnmower won't start. One reason your mower won't start could be due to a bad throttle cable. Sometimes these cables get damaged due to wear and tear. So it's important to replace your throttle cable so you can get your lawnmower started up again. A second reason why your mower won't start could be because of a bad spark plug. These spark plugs get dirty from time to time and the center node can rupture and get out of alignment. When this happens, all you need to do is replace your spark plug and your mower will be a happy machine. The third reason why your lawnmower won't start could be because of a bad ignition magneto. This part is the spark plug boot that you place on the spark plug. At the other end of it is the magneto. It's basically a magnet that sends a magnetic field to the spark plug to give it its shock to turn it on. If this magneto is bad, you won't have power to light up the spark plug, in turn making your lawnmower become a dead engine. To fix this problem, just replace the ignition magneto and you'll have power again. The fourth reason why your lawnmower won't start could be due to a clogged carburetor. Sometimes debris gets into the tiny holes of the carburetor and cause blockages and problems. So cleaning it is vital to ensure your lawnmower will start. One more reason why your lawnmower won't start could be because of a bad gasket and diaphragm that's inside the carburetor. These gaskets are thin, rubbery, flexible materials. Sometimes they can get warped or damaged and won't allow you to prime your lawnmower properly. When this happens, just replace those gaskets and your carburetor will work properly again. Most of the parts listed in this video will be in the description below, along with other videos actually showing you how to replace and clean these lawnmower parts. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, drop a comment below and I'll make sure to reply as fast as I can. Hope you enjoyed the video of me explaining the reasons as to why your lawnmower won't start. This is Ricardo with Green Thumb Engines and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.